Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this quick tip tutorial for today, I'm going to show you how to make a cord using two hooks. It's really fun to work with two hooks, so let's get started. Start by your first hook, chain 2, 1 and 2. Insert your hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull through. You should have 2 loops on the first hook. Take off your hook from the first loop and take your second hook and introduce it in this loop, like so. With your right hook, chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. Good. Turn your hooks to the right and work a chain with your right one. Good. Turn your hooks to the right. With your right hook, chain 1. Turn your hooks to the right. And once again, with your right hook, work a chain. Turn your work, chain 1 with the right hook. Turn your work, chain 1. I find it really funny to work with 2 hooks. Continue so until you reach the length of the cord you want. You can use this cord to make necklace, to make bracelets, for bags also. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. I love it, so I hope you do. I would love you to give me thumbs up, because when you give me thumbs up, it means that you've liked this video and really helped me to grow my channel. So please click on the like button. See you soon in my next video. Bye.